Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I know you clicked on a video for the TEMU carbon fiber, which on the website it does say 100% carbon fiber. And I am using a different camera, a Canon GX7X. But before we get to talking about what's in this box, what do you guys think? Do you think it's real? Do you think it's fake? Do you just stay away from TEMU altogether? Don't mind that. I'm in my basement. Like I said before, that's my furnace. But do you think it's real? Do you think it's fake? What do you think before we even check it out? Leave it in the comments if you're interested. Tell me what you think. You think I got duped? Well, technically it wasn't me, but my wife. You think she got duped? Yeah. I opened the box already, but they're in two boxes. There's two of them in here. So we're gonna open these up in a minute. But yeah, leave it in the comments if you guys think you can actually get real carbon fiber from TEMU for $42. So yeah, I'm about to open this box up and we're gonna take a look. Probably end up playing with some fire because it's fun, but also it's a real test on if the carbon fiber is real. So I'm gonna pause this, open up this, and be right back to you. Alright guys, just to reiterate, I am not sponsored by TEMU, but if TEMU sees this, I'm down to get sponsored. So I'll show you guys this really quick. This is there it is. This is the exact carbon fiber that my wife ordered. I forgot to tell you guys that. I did not pick this up, and I didn't trust anything from TEMU for mechanical stuff, but they might prove me wrong with this video. So enough showing you the ad. I'm going to show you the actual stuff, the actual product. Here it is. I think I should put on gloves. Let me put on these gloves. You didn't see that. I just hate the feeling on my skin when I touch that stuff with no gloves. I did open this up already. I have two of them. I'll put the link in the description. They were like $42 each. I peeked at it. It looks like real carbon fiber, but I haven't tested it, and the only drastic test I can think of is fire. So if you know me, I might be a little bit of a pyro, so I think I'm gonna use fire to test out and see if it's real. But enough of me talking. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Here it is. It looks real to me, not gonna lie. It's not that big of a roll, but it is two of them. It just feels like carbon fiber. I feel like I'm moving the weave pattern by touching it too much. So I'm gonna do a little B-roll of this or whatever in this small basement of mine. I'm not gonna be able to show you much, but I'm gonna sit this down and let you get a real good look at it. if it does catch on fire, I should probably go get some water because I am in my basement and I don't want to burn my house down. But I might just say bump it, or I don't want to say the actual cuss word, but I might just say forget it and try it. So yeah, give me a second. I'm gonna see the best way to try to burn this up. Alright guys, this is the best angle I could get. Hopefully I don't catch anything on fire, but I'm just gonna go for it. What the? Well, I think that does it, because it didn't catch on fire. There's no marks on it. How did dog hair get on it? Probably because of my dog. But it's not burning. It doesn't even smell like it was hot. So I think that's it. Alright guys, I guess I got real legit carbon fiber from TEMU. The flame test was the most important test to me. I felt like that was the most dangerous and the most, I guess, accurate way to prove it was real carbon fiber. And seeing that, I just did it in the basement with, I didn't get water. I should have got water. If you're playing with fire, make sure you have extinguishers, water. Don't do what I just did. But yeah, I'm pretty sure that's 100% real carbon fiber, like they say on the TEMU website. Like, I didn't know my wife bought this. She showed me after she already ordered it, so I was skeptical.
You got me.
But like I said, I'm not sponsored by TEMU yet. I say yet. So because I'm gonna need some more of this. Not even if, because it didn't catch on fire. It's 100% real carbon fiber. But I'm gonna need some more of this for some crazy big idea I have. So keep an eye out for that. If you made it to the end of the video, which this one is a pretty short video. If you made it to the end of the video, man, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I got some more videos coming to you guys soon, but it's really hard to do what I want to do in Ohio right now with all this snow. I hate snow. But enough talking, man. Thanks for watching. Catch me in the next one. Peace.